In today's video, I am going to teach you how to disable check-ins on a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. From there, switch over to your Facebook business page so you are managing the correct page before making any changes. Once you are on the correct business page, open it fully and go to the main page view. You will need to access the page details where your location information is stored. Scroll down until you reach the About section on your Facebook business page. In the About area, look toward the left-hand menu and click on Details. This will open the section where Facebook stores important business information, including your address and location settings. This is the part that controls the location information shown on your page. Since check-ins are tied to your page address, removing or changing that address can stop people from checking in at your business location through the page. When you find the address section, click the edit icon next to it. The edit icon usually appears as a small pencil. This will allow you to update the existing address information. At this point, remove your business address if you want to disable location-based check-ins completely. If needed, you can also update the location details instead, depending on how you want your page to appear. The key part is that check-ins are generally connected to the visible business address on the page. After making your changes, click Save to apply the update. Wait a moment for Facebook to process the new settings and refresh the page information. Once the changes have been saved, return to your Facebook business page and check the page information again. Look at the page details and confirm that the address is no longer being displayed. This helps you verify that the location settings were updated successfully. If the address has been removed, your page should no longer support check-ins in the same way as before, since the location connection has been taken away from the public page details. That is the full process for disabling check-ins on a Facebook business page by updating the page address in the About and Details section. Follow the same path again anytime you need to restore or change the location information in the future. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.